Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add Etsy reviews to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Etsy reviews. So go top right corner, sign up for free. You want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, it's up to you. And when you're going to do it, click login. Here you will end up in application, and in search you just want to write Etsy. And here you have Etsy reviews, so let's create a widget. And now you have options to go between carousel, grid, slider, list, reviews widget. I'm going to choose this one here, the first one. Let's continue with the template. Now you just add here your URL. You have layout here, review style. I recommend going with the content and click on the filters, and total number of reviews go like 4 or 5, so you don't have like so much of them, like so many of them. That's the right wording. Then go to top right corner to save. You can edit literally everything here. When you're gonna do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you can have 5,000, 50 or 5 million reviews, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now what you want to do is just simply click add, empt, custom empt a widget, and enter the code here. Update. And voila, here you got it. Really pretty, really good. And this is how you can add Etsy reviews to your Wix website. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.